Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about rounding to the nearest 10. In your math journal, I would like you to write the following 3 words and their definitions. So the first word is rounding, where you are changing the value of a number to one that is easier to work with, like 10, 20, 30, and so forth, counting by tens. Estimate is the next word. That's when we make an approximate calculation so that we have something that's easier to work with. And I'm going to sing you a song, so stay tuned. This is the rounding roller coaster. This kind of gives you a visual cue of understanding that if your number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the number to the right of the number you're rounding, the number you're rounding will remain the same. If the digit to the right of the number that you are rounding is a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8, or a 9, the digit you are rounding will go up 1. Look right next door. 5 or more, you raise a score. 4 or less, let it rest. Look to the right, put zeros inside. We will round you. We will round you. Find your place, look right next door. 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. Look to the right, put zeros inside. We will round you. Step 1, identify the place value. In the number 56, we're going to round to the nearest tens place. And the number 5, the digit 5, is in the tens place. Step 2, look at the number to the right. To the right of the 5 is a 6. If the number was 4 or less, the 5 would not change. But since the number is a 6, we're going to change the 5 to the next number up, to the next 10, which would be 60 actually. There we go. 56 becomes 60. And everything to the right of the number becomes a 0. So let's practice that. The first one we're looking at is a 93. Which digit is in the tens place? The 9 is in the tens place. Look to the right. Oh, that's a 3. Is that 5 or more or 4 or less? Oh, that's 4 or less. That means the 9 remains the same, and everything to the right, which means the 3, then changes to a 0. So this number is 90 when rounded to the nearest 10. The number 37. Which digit is in the tens place? The 3 is in the tens place. Look to the right. To the right is a 7. Is that 4 or less or 5 or more? That's 5 or more. That means the 3 becomes a 4, and everything to the right becomes a 0. So 37 becomes 40. Next digit, your next number is 55. That one's right smack in the middle between 50 and 60. So what are we going to do with that one? 5 or more, raise the score. So this 5 becomes a 6, and this one becomes a 0. So 55 rounds to the nearest 10, which is 60. There you go. Okay, you're going to go find the link that I left you to help you practice and understand. And then you're going to go find the exit ticket to show me that you understand the concept. If not, we'll keep working on it. Have a good night, and I'll see you in the morning.